A new category rises in digital implantology. Scan and smile in 15 minutes with Matrix X-Force, AI design, and high-speed 3D printing for true immediacy. Starting with a straightforward tooth extraction, followed by a flapless immediate implant insertion. Using the X-Force Pilot Guide system. The Matrix X-Force implant is inserted, designed for strong primary stability and immediate workflows. Right after placement, the scan body is inserted to accurately capture the implant position. Next comes the AI-designed crown, completed in just 1 minute. The only system enabling screw retained directly on implant restorations for single units and bridges, done chairside by the dentist. The design is nested and sent to print. While printing, the site is grafted with Geistlich Bio-Os. Seven minutes later, the printed crown is ready. The crown is polished and then smoothly inserted and screw retained with 25 Newton centimeters. 1 week later, the tissue response is excellent. This is the Scan and Smile in 15 minutes approach, bringing speed, precision, and true digital simplicity to everyday implant dentistry.